Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy Ram. I'm here to show you this 2020 Ram 3500 limited dually, so let's take a peek. And under the hood you do have your 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine. This is the HO motor, and it does have the AISIN transmission as well. Full LED headlights, color match bumpers, keyless entry on either side, 360 camera, and of course power boards. It is a mega cab, so you're going to have the 6.4 box. And I did order this one with the max tow package, so you are going to get the fifth wheel hitch as well, but we're going to go inside and finish up. And inside the truck it is fully loaded, so we did the light interior with this one. You do have heated and cooled seats, and then of course your 12-inch screen right here with nav. I'm pretty sure we clicked off every box in this truck that you could. You also have Harman Kardon sound system, wireless charger, a whole bunch of storage, sunroof, lane departure, forward collision warning. The list goes on, but we'll go in the back seat and then we're done. And in the back seat, because it's mega cab, you have a whole bunch of room. These are heated rear seats, and of course they do fold down flat if you want to sleep in your truck or whatever. If you want to make this truck yours, give us a call, 780-942-3629, or for more pictures, pricing, all that good stuff, just click the link below.